Ever wondered how artificial intelligence or AI learns? How it picks up intricate patterns and makes predictions? Well, the secret lies in a process called machine learning. Now, don't be intimidated by the jargon. It's not as complex as you might think. Imagine you're teaching a toddler how to recognize an apple. You'd probably show them several pictures of apples. Over time, the toddler starts to understand what an apple looks like, no matter its size, color, or variety. This is, in a nutshell, how machine learning works. It's all about pattern recognition and making informed guesses. Machine learning is a subset of AI that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience. Experience, in this context, refers to data. The more data a machine learning model is exposed to, the better it gets at identifying patterns and making accurate predictions. To start the learning process, AI needs a set of instructions, or an algorithm. An algorithm is like a recipe, guiding the AI on how to interpret the data. There are hundreds of algorithms out there, each with its strengths and weaknesses. The choice of algorithm depends on the type of data and the problem at hand. Once we have our algorithm, the next step is to feed it data. This is known as training the model. Just like a student revising for an exam, the model goes through the data, learning patterns and key insights. It's important to note that the quality of data matters. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. Output. Now, let's talk about neural networks. These are a special type of machine learning model that mimics the human brain. They consist of interconnected layers of nodes or neurons, each processing a small part of the data. The magic happens when these neurons start working together, identifying complex patterns that would be impossible for a single neuron. After training, the model is tested on new data it has never seen. This is the real test of its learning. If the model does well, it's ready to be deployed. If not, it's back to the drawing board. The model might need more training, a different algorithm, or even a different approach. Output. In conclusion, machine learning is a dynamic field that's transforming our world. From predicting the weather to diagnosing diseases, machine learning is revolutionizing a wide array of sectors. It's a fascinating blend of mathematics, computer science, and a dash of creativity. So, to summarize, machine learning is a process where AI learns from data. It involves selecting an algorithm, training the model on data, and testing it on new data. Neural networks play a crucial role in this process, simulating human brain processes to identify complex patterns. And the applications of machine learning? They're as vast as our imagination. That's it for now. Remember, the future is not just about understanding AI but harnessing its potential for the betterment of society. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.